Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making Pina Colada. It's gonna be rich, refreshing, so delicious. It's summer, it's gonna get really hot, so you need something like this to cool you down. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, first of all you will need some pineapple. So I'm gonna use around 80 to 100 grams of this. That should be enough. Just remove the skin. Now there's two different ways of making Pina Colada. I'm gonna show you guys both ways, alright? Grab your mixer, throw in the pineapple, a hint of lemon, just a hint adds a bit of freshness. Now my secret to a good Pina Colada is brown sugar. Obviously we're not gonna use whiskey or rum, etc, any of that alcohol. So brown sugar really carries that flavor of Pina Colada across, so just add that in. It has that dark molasses flavor which you really can't describe, but it's very great to use. So I'm just gonna muddle these through. Now like I said, there's two different ways of making Pina Colada. This is the easiest way, I would say. I mean, you could say the other way as well, but you could add a bit of the mint if you like, it's not a problem. I would tell you guys to go ahead and, have some experimentation of your own. It's not a problem. It's always good to explore, learn new things. Alright, so that's looking great. Alright, now we need to use cream of coconut, okay? Yeah, I will leave some links down below so you can check this out. Alright, so how much you need? You need around 30 ml of this. So this cup you see here is exactly 30 ml, so I'm gonna add a full cup of this one here. As you can see, this cream of coconut is nice and thick. That's exactly what you're looking for. We're just gonna add that in there. It's an easy. You know what? Don't tell anyone. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Oh man, Pina Colada is so rich and so delicious.
2,000 years later.
Alright, then we need to add some pineapple juice. Around 50 to 60 ml should be okay. Throw that in there. Now as you can see, I've used some fresh pineapple as well because I really want that deep pineapple flavor. Finally, we're gonna add a bit of the ice. Now ice is really gonna break down this mixture and add that awesome chilled flavor. So let's throw this in. Not too much, just a little bit. You want to cover this up now. On the top. Alright, now just give this a mix for around 30 to 40 seconds. Oh my god. I'm feeling so tired. Alright, so that looks great. Now grab your glass. As you can see, I've added a bit of the ice. I'm just gonna remove that. I just wanted the glass to chill a bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Now if you don't have a strainer, just use that. As you can see, this is a built-in strainer, so I'm just gonna grab our glass, add a bit of the pineapple slice on the side, and look at that beauty. Now the second method is easy as well. You just need to use the same amount of ingredients. I'm just gonna double the ingredients because I'm making 2 glasses. So in with the pineapple, touch of lemon juice, brown sugar for the intense flavor. Now to be honest with you guys, if you want, you could use coconut milk, it's not a problem, but cream of coconut works perfectly as well. If you want a perfect substitute, then use coconut milk. Pineapple juice. Now you could add ice and blend it. In my opinion, it's just gonna make it a bit watery, so I'm just gonna leave the ice for now. What you could do is you can just chill in the fridge after you've blended this, so it's nice and chilled, or you could add the ice after. Blend this until nice and smooth. Oh my goodness. Add in some of the ice. Now in with the Pina Colada. Just gonna strain this through. And serve it with a pineapple wedge. Now you can decorate using some pineapple, slice it off. Now you want a thin slice of this pineapple but not too thin. So it should be okay. And what you want to do is you just want to cut some little chunks, so just like so. Alright, so something like this. To grab your pineapple, you also need to use some of these mocktail cherries. And finally some of these toothpicks. So this is a perfect way of decorating your pina coladas. It's gonna look beautiful. Grab the toothpick and just break into half. Grab the pineapple chunk. You want to insert this from the top here. Not all the way, just a little bit. Cherry can go on the top like so. Again, it's gonna look amazing, as you can see. Your guest's gonna love it. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this delicious pina colada. Just have a look at that. So good. Like I said, if you're blending this, don't add the ice. Add the ice afterwards, it's not gonna be watery. This is nice and thick still, and a very bit of ice. Have a bit of the cherry. Oh, let's try this. Bismillah. Wow. So refreshing, and it's so, I would say, rich. That pineapple, the cream of coconut works very well together, and just a hit of lemon, you know. It's optional, you don't have to use it, but it just adds that freshness. And the brown sugar really add that earthy molasses flavor. Oh man, this is great. You guys need to try this. It's gonna get really hot, so you need something like this, alright? As I said before, if you don't have cream of coconut, you could use coconut milk. It's not a problem, it's a perfect substitute. Some countries do use coconut milk, others don't. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and show like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.